Alright guys, hopefully this is working. Here you see the cinematic 3D printed drone. I don't have a camera on there right now, but this is powered by a 2S lithium ion battery. And basically this video isn't nothing special, but I just wanted you to hear the performance. It'll be flowing line of sight. So let's see how she does. 63mm props, 1404 motors. So turn the transmitter on, the old crusty trusty T16S or TX16 Radio Master. Plug her in.
RF signal critical.
Yeah, it's because I'm close to the thing. Alright, hopefully I'm getting it in the picture. Seems to be smooth and stable. No oscillations or jitters. And let's see what the climb out will be like with the 2S. Not too bad. Prop wash. You guys seen me plug this in. I'm gonna run it until she settles in. So this is basically just gonna get us how much flight time we may get off of just a 2S lithium ion pack. So if you want to chop to the end of this video, that's fine. I brought it out once before, and at the end of the flight the motors were still cold, so I mean, nothing fancy. I'm not doing any flips or rolls with it. I mean, it's a CineWhoop or a CineDrone, so I'm looking for smooth transition, smooth flight without any oscillations or wobbles. Throttle is at about 45%, 50% maybe. Just going out and coming back. Just trying to make a nice smooth transition without any wobbles or anything like that. And we're down. That's full throttle. We've landed. Throttle off. Alright, so we'll go in and we'll see what we got there.